Welcome to the maintenance video of T-70 pressure regulating valve.
Tools required. First of all, take an adjustable wrench and loose bonnet. Adjust wrench as the size of the ring closer and open the ring closer. Then open the bonnet carefully. Firstly, take out this spring pusher and spherical ball from the bonnet. And then also take out the springs from it. Take remaining disc springs from the spindle. Take a nylon rod and rubber hammer. Gently push spindle from the bottom side and remove spindle from the main body. Then take out the clamping ring with spindle. This is a spindle. This is spindle for spring. Spindle and spindle for ring can be separated from this portion. Inspect O-ring, POM gaskets, high pressure seal. And also inspect the spindle. Remove high pressure seal using a screwdriver. Also, remove POM gasket using screwdriver or manually. With the use of pick, remove O-ring and POM gasket. The spindle should not have any damages on its surface. If any damage found, replace it with a new one. Now assemble POM gasket. Also assemble high pressure seal in such a way that its smooth surface with face towards the POM gasket. Same as firstly assemble POM gasket and then O-ring on the other side. Take pick and remove scraper ring from main body. Check its surface from any damage or not. Take a nylon rod to push it from the opposite side using rubber hammer to remove the seat from the main body. Check its surface and body. Now, with the help of pick, take out POM gasket from opposite side of main body. And also remove O-ring from main body with the help of a pick. Then take spindle for spring. Using pick, take out scraper ring from spindle for spring. Take a screwdriver and rubber hammer to push the piston drive from opposite side. Remove the piston drive from the spindle for spring. Let's start the reassembling process of disassembled parts of T-70 pressure regulating valve. For reassembly of pressure regulating valve, firstly, assemble O-ring to the main body and then install POM gasket. Inspect surface of seat. Then assemble seat into the main body from the top side of the main body. Using nylon rod and rubber hammer, fix seat on its position into main body. Check the high pressure seal, POM gasket and O-ring must be assembled on the spindle in the correct sequence. Lay spindle on its position, put its small end upward. After that, assemble spindle into the main body and gently push it by rubber hammer. To know about the sequence, kindly go through this picture. Now, place a scraper ring on the spindle. Make sure that its flat portion should face downward. Now take clamping ring facing flat side on scraper ring and put clamping ring on scraper ring and spindle. Now take piston drive. Make sure gasket and O-ring should assemble in the correct sequence as per picture. Then assemble piston drive into the spindle for spring. Gently push piston driver by rubber hammer. Now assemble the scraper ring into the spindle for spring. After that, fit spindle for scraper ring on the spindle. And gently push it by rubber hammer. Now assemble bonnet to the main body as shown. After assembling the bonnet, assemble disc springs into the bonnet. Before assembling disc springs, check its sequence as per picture. Use nylon rod for assembling disc springs so that the disc springs can be adjusted easily in the center. After that, assemble disc spring pusher on the disc springs and keep the spherical ball on the pusher. Now, fit the ring closer on the bonnet. After that, use adjustable wrench to tight ring closer. Then tight bonnet properly using the adjustable wrench.